Hi everyone, Toney here with Essentially Styled, and I just wanted to pop on here briefly. Hopefully you will catch this and let you know that we have our biggest event of the year going on right now with Little Rose. It is Black Friday week. It started on Monday and it is going to go to the following Monday. There will be lots of things to catch and do, new sets, a couple different days at greatly reduced prices, and some special things happening on Black Friday, new releases. Very exciting things happening. If you want to follow up, you can follow my Facebook page and I will keep you up to speed on everything that's happening in real time as best as I can. I hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving and that you'll be able to take advantage of some of our Black Friday deals. And just to show you today, I'm wearing open flower U-pins. And we do have, speaking of open flower, we do have some clips that are retiring, and one of them is our open flower flexi. It is one of my favorites. It's retiring, it's 50% off. Some of the others that are 50% off, we have Fascinating, we have Tree of Life, our Owl, Night Owl Flexi is retiring, Compass Rose, one that goes with everything, Dusky Plum, one of my favorites. Again, a lot of my favorites. We have the Arrow, whoops, let's be this way, and even one of my favorite sticks with the copper and the green patina beads. Lots of stuff happening. So you can check out the Facebook page, ask to follow you can find the link here in YouTube and follow my Facebook page, request to join my customer group if you're one of my customers, and I'd love to help you out. But some great opportunity to do some Christmas shopping and to increase your hair wardrobe and get a solid hair wardrobe for yourself. So I hope you have a great Thanksgiving and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.